Yeah, hello. In this video, we're gonna go through a step-by-step process to demonstrate the effect of transformation of variables in simple linear regression. First, just reading a data set called funding. And you can see it's a data set with 29 rows and 3 columns. There's 3 variables. One is the dollars, the other is the disability. So what we want to do is to fit a simple linear regression of the dollar amount against the disability. Before we do that, let's take a look at the histogram of y. So it doesn't look very normally distributed, right? But we're going to go ahead and do the simple linear regression anyway. And then we take a look at the summary of the model. You can see the R square is 0.14, okay? And the just R square is even like a negative. So this is really saying this is not really a good model. And I think the distribution of y may have a role in this. So if we want to take a look at the residual plots, you can see here there's some outliers, and there's just well, the QQ residuals here is not really very clearly shown, but there are some deviations in the tail. And then this residual plots just doesn't look very good. So let's do some transformation. As we know, log transformation usually improves the normality of the continuous variable. So just let's try this. The log y assigned as log of y, natural log of y, and then we have log x. Now let's plot the histogram of log transform y again. Now this looks better, a little bit more closer to normal distribution, right? So we can do another simple linear regression using the log transform the values. Model 2, and we can do the summary, and now the R squared becomes 0.41, so that's a lot better than the first one. So the transformation really kind of brought a lot of improvement in the model fit. Okay. Again, we can take a look at the residual plots. They look much better, I think. But from the R square, it does improve a lot. So this is just a very simple illustration about sometimes transform of the dependent variable or even the independent variable can really improve the model fit. So just keep that in mind. And we know there's, for example, the box cup transformation family, and there's other ways you can really get the optimal transformation in some sense of x and y so that your regression model has some optimal or suboptimal goodness of fit. Okay, thank you for watching this video.